Hello, soon to be Mrs. Fernando. Ano ba yan? Kaya ayoko ng ganito. Sa'yo ang cup ko.
No star can shine like you.
Tayo ay natitipon sapagkat narito sa ating harapan sina Antolin at Mary May upang ipahayag sa harap ng Diyos, sa harap ng kanyang simbahan, ang kanilang tunay na pagmamahalan.
With open arms, you can fall back into an echo.
Mary May, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
I'd wait forever. I'd wait forever.
Actually, it's almost 45 hours of thinking how will I make this vow. Then here it is. You are loving, caring, and supportive partner to me for almost 14 years.
You know, I'm not good in expressing my love through words, kaya pagtiyagaan mo na to.
A million miles dissolves between us.
I'm thankful to God for giving me such a wonderful, patient, and loving partner.
Separate us. We can never unravel.
Outside your love, there is nothing comparable to it with you. I'm ready to go extra mile.
By design, life is always
Let's put God first, have faith. Here's there's watching us. Always remember, I'm here for you, and we will work together to achieve our goals in life.
yours forever.
Antolin, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Do you take Mary May, her present for your lawful wife, according to the rites of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Tinatawag kayo ng Diyos na magmahalan, katulad ng pagmamahal ni Jesus, pagmamahalan po na walang kapantay, pagmamahalan na kayang isakripisyo ang sarili, kayang ialay ang kanyang sarili para sa kanyang minamahal.
I promise to support you and be with my every step in our way. Love you very, very much.
There's a lot of things and words I want to say, but I really don't have the right words to express myself. Alam mo yan, una yung hinihingi natin kay Lord, just enjoy this day. I love you very, very, very much.